Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change TikTok cover or how to change TikTok thumbnail after posting. So the step are so simple to follow. Just make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this one, go to your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile like this one, all you have to do now, let's say I want to change the cover of this video that I posted on my Twitter account. So now I'll just go ahead and open the video. So as you can see now, here is the video now. If you want to change the cover of the video, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot. As you can see now, this three dot. So after I tap on this three dot now, as you can see now, at the bottom, now scroll all the way to left. Scroll to left and tap on this section which says add settings. This one. So under this add settings, as you can see now, you can be able to see different settings that TikTok will give you. So allow it now to finish loading. As you can see now, under this add setting, there is three options. The first one is say disclose first content. The second one is says add authority, and the last one is says only show in ads. So as you can see now, in this all three option, now there is no option for you to change the thumbnail or to change the cover of the video that you already posted. So if I tap on this back arrow, as you can see now, tap on this three dot again. So if you tap on this three dot again, as you can see now, under this option now, here is the only settings that you can be able to modernize under this video that you already posted, but you can't be able to change the cover of a video that you posted on TikTok. That's it guys. TikTok doesn't allow you to do that. If you post a video, so you can't change its cover. Only the option is you can delete the video and download the video and upload it again. So while uploading, you can be able to change it cover, but after you post the video, you can't change it cover. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.